What's going on, guys? It's Cade from Beyond the Box, back with another video. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, we are giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So hit that bell icon so you're alerted to all my new videos. So when we hit that 20,000 subscriber mark, we're gonna be giving the Quest 2 away in its own special little video. With that said, I've been gone for a while. I haven't been feeling my best. I've been pretty under the weather. I don't know if I still sound sick on camera or not, but I'm not feeling my best. I don't know if I got COVID in the meantime since I've been gone, but yeah, I just literally have not felt very good. So bear with me. We're gonna try to get through this video as best as we can. But today we're taking a look at the Sony Linkbuds, which I really appreciate the name on this product because it's the first set of earbuds that actually have a legitimate name. And the name makes sense for what the product is. The Linkbuds were made to link the online and the offline world together. They have a hole in the earbuds themselves. Basically, this is supposed to create ambient sound mode that's always on, and these do not have active noise cancellation or ambient sound mode because that's what the product is all about. They want you to hear your environment at all times. So for some people, that might be seen as a good thing, other people not so much. I myself, I do love my active noise cancellation mode. But on the other hand, Jenny might like that there's no active noise cancellation and she can hear the active world around her for more safety, especially if you live in New York City. I just saw something on Instagram right before I got onto this video where somebody rubbed poop on some woman's face in the subway station in the Bronx. So it's always good to know what's going on in your environment. And if you're somebody that's active, let's just say in New York City, this might be a good product for you. So as I did mention before, there is no ambient sound mode or active noise cancellation mode because that's not what this product is about. This product is about being connected while still staying connected to the world around you. Looks like that's all that's in the box. Comes with USB Type-C charging cable, obviously. And it comes with 5 different sets of rubber earplugs. I don't know what you want to call them. They go between extra small and extra large to fit whatever size of ear you have. The mediums are the standards installed already, so we're gonna try that and see how that goes. The case is quite smaller, especially smaller than the WF-1000 XM4s from Sony. The case and the earbuds themselves are actually made from recycled plastic, so that's really cool for the environment, a nice touch from Sony. But with that being said, these do not feel as high of quality as the WF-1000 XM4s. And the case just seems a little cheaper. Hopefully the sound quality matches up to the WF-1000 XM4s because I don't really understand why Sony put these out to compete with the WF-1000 XM4s. Now these do come in 2 different colors, speckled carbon and speckled white. You can't really see the speckles on the black edition, on the carbon colors, but I'm assuming that it's easier to see in person versus on camera. Here are the earbuds themselves. And what's cool about these is the hole actually goes inside your earlobe kind of, so you don't really see that there is a hole in your earbuds. So nobody's gonna really be able to look around and see, oh, what's going on with this guy's earbuds? And they automatically start pairing the moment you take them out of the case. And speaking of which, these are able to be used for all your athletic uses because these are IPX4 splash resistant. If you guys wanna be active with these headphones, you can, but right now, they sound like I have nothing in my ears. It sounds like I'm talking to you without anything at all. I hear everything absolutely around me. Nothing's amplified, and it just seems like there's nothing inside my ears. They're pretty comfortable too, which is a good sign. Now these Linkbuds use Bluetooth 5.2, which means just like the WF-1000 XM4s, you're not going to be able to transfer your Bluetooth between multiple devices at once. Say if you wanted to connect these to your phone and your computer at the same time and simultaneously switch audio, that's not going to be possible. But these do have ear detection sensors, so it's going to automatically know when one is in your ear and one's not, so you can actually use one of the earbuds and put the other one in the case while it's charging at the same time. You can do that if you want to. So the Linkbuds come with a few cool features that are directly in the Sony app. First, we gotta pair them. Place the earbuds back in the case, maybe? Cool, so they just started pairing the moment I held my phone up to my ear. That's great. So as I was saying, these do come with a lot of cool features in the Sony app. If you guys wanna mess with the EQ, you can do so. There's a DSEE, you can turn it on and off. I'm gonna keep mine off because it's gonna save some battery time. There is automatic settings. There's adaptive volume control, so it's going to actually raise and lower the music based on your surroundings. There is a speak to chat mode, which is really cool. It's going to lower your volume of the music whenever the earbuds detect that you are talking to somebody else. But if you do find that you talk to your pets or yourself often, this may not be a setting that you want to have on because it does eat some battery life up while using that option. Speaking of battery life, these do have around a 5.5 hour playback time, give or take. That's what we read online. With that said, the case has about 3 more full charges inside when it's fully charged, but it has a fast quick charge time of 90 minutes in a 10-minute time span. So give or take however long that takes to fully charge up the headphones from 0 to 100, but that's a lot of battery life in a 10-minute span. Now these are using 12mm drivers inside, so the sound quality should technically be on par with the AirPod 3s and the WF-1000 XM4s. But we're gonna test that out right now and see who is the king of sound. Okay, I really don't like that. Every single time I start talking, the music completely stops. So we're gonna turn off the speak to chat. Every single time I start talking, the headphones stop. That's really weird. We don't even have the speak to chat on because we turned it off, and watch. Check, 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 check. Immediately, what is going on? But the bass is pretty flat when it comes to open earbuds. You're just not gonna be able to get the kind of bass that you can get in the XM4s or your AirPod 3s or even the AirPod Pros. Because these are the same price point as AirPod 3s, around $180 right now. I do think these will probably drop in price within the next few months. I am honestly seeing these as sort of kind of like a gimmick because I don't see these very viable for everyday use. You could just keep your ambient sound mode on when it comes to your XM4s or your AirPod 3s or your AirPod Pros. It doesn't really make sense for these kind of earpods to even exist. Now, the coolest part about these headphones to me is the fact that there's actually no buttons on the side. You can go through the settings in the app and switch it up if you want to, but 3 taps in front of your ear will skip to the next track. 2 taps will pause the music, but you're actually not even touching the ear pods themselves. You're touching your ear, which is really cool. Obviously, there are headphones that work with bone conduction. This is not the exact same thing, so we can't really compare that. You can actually choose to double tap will play the pause the song, triple tap will go to the next song, or you could decide that you want to change that up and say, let's make one of these a volume control button. 3 taps to increase the volume, 2 taps to go down. It is a cool idea, but like I said, I'm honestly not enjoying the sound quality. And every single time I try to talk, these headphones turn off. Every single time that I start talking, they just turn off. I'm really annoyed. If I was an older person, I would be like, okay, I'm not dealing with this, I'm taking them back. But I think Sony is trying to market to Gen Z with these. They're pretty much a gimmick. I don't think they're a viable option at all. The sound sounds really flat. Let's just go humor ourselves and let's go see what these sound like with the microphone. All right, we are using the Sony Linkbuds, and I am really hoping that the microphone sounds a lot better than the sound quality itself, so fingers crossed. Okay, so they're not completely horrible, but at the same time, they're nowhere near like the AirPod 3's HD audio for phone calls and FaceTimes and stuff like that. So I don't think the quality is very good on the microphone either, to be honest. It's a solid skip for me when it comes to this product. I would say you guys shouldn't even take a look at this product. Unless you're really interested, I encourage you to give it a shot, play with it for yourself. But to be honest, the sound quality is just nowhere near on par as any of the other earbuds that I've listened to in the past few months. Especially coming from Sony, I am disappointed. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong, but at the same time, when it comes to the sound quality, when the music isn't stopping, it's just not very good. Wow. What a disappointment. For $180, go get yourself some AirPod 3s. For $200, go get yourself some AirPod Pros. I don't know what the XM4s are priced at these days, but those are a better option, a way better option from Sony. Those I thought were beating out the AirPod Pros. So there are a lot of other better options for you. These seem like a gimmick. I'm sorry that I'm bashing the product. If you guys like them, I'm happy that you enjoy them. They're just not the quality level that we expect from Sony, at least in my opinion. But that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked the honest review. If you guys did, smash that thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And like I said at the beginning, we're giving the Oculus Quest 2 away 20,000 subscribers, and we're giving a PS5 away 30,000 subscribers. So there's lots to do, and there's lots to give away on the channel. So if you guys want to win, just subscribe. It's quick, it's easy, and it's free. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.